Fraud investigation. How to protect your personal assets. Imagine facing a fraud investigation and worrying about losing everything you've worked for. Protecting your personal assets is key to staying secure during tough times. When it comes to white-collar crimes like fraud, understanding how to shield your wealth can make a big difference. Fraud involves tricking someone to gain money or property illegally. If you're accused or under investigation, courts can seize assets or order forfeitures. So, what steps can you take to keep your personal property safe? First, setting up proper legal entities like limited liability companies or corporations is a smart move. These structures separate your personal assets from business liabilities. For example, if your business faces a lawsuit, your personal house or savings usually stay protected. But remember, courts can pierce the corporate veil if you mix personal and business money or don't follow legal formalities. Always keep separate bank accounts and document everything properly. Next, trusts can be useful. You can create domestic asset protection trusts or foreign trusts to hold your assets. These legal arrangements put your wealth beyond the reach of creditors or investigators. But it's important to establish these trusts well before any legal issues arise. Doing it in advance helps avoid accusations of fraudulent conveyance, which is transferring assets to hide them after learning about a potential investigation. Keeping detailed, accurate financial records is also vital. Clear records show your assets are legitimate and help defend against fraud claims. Follow all laws and regulations, like holding official meetings if you run a corporation, and keep proper documentation. This demonstrates transparency and good faith, which courts appreciate. Contracts are another tool. When you do business, make sure your contracts clearly state the scope of work and limit your personal liability. For example, including clauses that cap damages or liability can protect your personal property from excessive claims. Also, having liability insurance adds a layer of protection if lawsuits happen. Avoid transferring assets after you suspect a fraud investigation. Moving property to hide it can be seen as fraudulent conveyance and can be reversed by courts. Asset protection measures must be lawful and proactive, not reactive or secretive. Getting professional help is always wise. Forensic accountants, private investigators, and legal counsel can help you understand your risks and document your assets properly. They ensure your defense strategies are legal and solid. From a criminal defense point of view, protecting your assets means being cautious and following the law. Trying to hide or transfer assets unlawfully can lead to more charges like obstruction or concealment. Your defense team will focus on lawful ways to preserve your wealth while challenging the evidence against you. In short, early planning is essential. Use proper business structures, set up trusts, keep detailed records, draft clear contracts, and seek professional advice. These steps can help you safeguard your assets during a fraud investigation without crossing legal lines. Staying informed and prepared is your best defense.